Hello, I will be going over Jstor. Now, Jstor is mostly going to be academic journals. Big academic journals. So let's see. What do we want to search? We'll just do presidents like we usually do. Wait, I did not. There we go. I cannot type to save my life. Now, after doing that, in your search page, you can automatically download the PDF, save, or cite this item. You don't necessarily do that. So, change their thing up a little. We have open access and free. Not entirely sure about that. Anyways, on your left hand side, you'll have your limiters, journals, book chapters, research reports, primary source content, serials, documents, images, books. So they'll have some images, some books, I think some videos, but not entirely. But anyways, we can go ahead and click on the first one. Excuse me. Oof. Now this one is a fairly short one, only 8 pages. But a lot of these can be very, very long, depending on the subject that you're looking at. I'll give you thumbnails of each page, what it looks like. I'm gonna stick with the info page of what it is. You can view 20 search matches like this. You can click on the little arrow to go left and right. You can view larger or into full screen. So again, into full screen, and it brings it up like this. You still need to click on the arrow to go left or right. You can zoom in and zoom out. Exit full screen. Make it larger, which only just expands it for a little bit. You can share, save, and download the PDF. Okay, come on, let me go back. Please, thank you. Alright, that was a research report. And I'm going to look at the journal article, which will say above the link, which all of them will say who they're by. Some of them will show when they were uploaded and posted. We'll look at the journal article, President's Column. Now this one shows that it's actually from a book. Then go to next item. And now it'll show you what book it is actually from. I'll scroll down. It'll give you a preview of, I guess it's from a chapter. Thumbnails, reference. You can read it online for free or subscribe for like 20 bucks, which I don't recommend that, but since everything with what's going on is being free, you can just read for free. But you'll have to create an account and log in, which I'm not entirely sure about that, so probably wouldn't bother with that. Go back. But for the most part, it should just show up right here. You can download, print, save, yada yada. Let's see if I can't find a longer one. Let's look at this one. Maybe. Okay, so 16 pages, a little bit longer. Also from, looks to be at least a magazine, the Journal of Politics, or Journal magazine. The University of Chicago Press Journal. So yeah, it's a journal magazine. Pretty short and simple. Now, if you are having trouble finding some things that you're looking at, you might need to play with your wording a little bit. Search for something relevant to what you're searching, your main topic, or a completely different word. Because you're not always going to get what you want with your initial search. So sometimes you have to play around with that. And that shall be all for this video.